There's nothing like a real cool papa fishing shirt recession for eliminating the muddle in our lives and making some cash within the course. This may not be a lot of a problem because it appears, and the cash you get might make it value the additional time you spend money on it. In fact, when you've got an enormous library that you just imagine may be very useful, it could be value it to pay for Real Cool Papa. Real Cool Papa fishing shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie, tank top, sweatshirt, hoodie, V-neck. Whether or not it is the Real Cool Papa fishing shirt center of a North Dakota winter or excessive midday in summertime Arizona, your equipment is a secret weapon to maintain you getting in all temperatures and climate circumstances. It allows you to plug within the creator and title or ISBN and can current you the bottom going costs throughout many various web pages. In the event you use a web-based useful resource, will probably be simpler to get an in-depth breakdown of precisely what is going on in your system by simply making an easy entry and letting the software program do the remaining. Other products.